All right, this is my first 24-25 Series 2 pack. This seems very thick, but I haven't opened any yet, so I don't really know what to expect. Weight is 32 grams. So let's see. Come on. All right, Zach Whitecloud, Kirby Doc, Dylan DeMello, Robert Thomas, Sean Couturier, a Dazzlers Blue of Brock Besser, a OPG Glossy of Cider, and a Rupe Hintz Young Guns, and Crosby, York, Donato, and Pellick. These are all pretty basic inserts. Where is it? The Dazzlers Blue is the toughest pull at 1 in 12 right there. The OPG Glossy Regular is 1 in 3. And right there. OPG Glossy Regular, 1 in 3. And the Young Guns Renewed right there is 1 in 4. So the Dazzlers was the best pull.